Hi everyone, today we're going to take notes on 3.1.b, finding slope between 2 points. And this is page 3 on our notes. One of the most important ideas of this section is to use the slope formula. And we're going to use that when we are given 2 points, and we'll just call them in general x1, y1, x2, y2. And we use the formula m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And these little numbers right here, these are a little bit strange. They're called subscripts. And what they mean is like this x is a different x than this x, and this y is a different y than that y. So they're just different values for different coordinates. All right, so for these examples, I'm going to find the slope between the given points. And so this first one, I have 2, 1, 5, 3. And I'm just going to call this point x1, y1. This point x2, y2. I'm going to plug those values into the slope formula. So I have y2, which is 3, minus y1, which is 1, over x2, which is 5, minus x1, which is 2. And I'm going to simplify that. 3 minus 1 is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. So the slope between those 2 points would be 5/3. Next, I'm going to find the slope between the points 4, 6, and 2, 10. I'm going to do that same thing again. x1, y1, x2, y2, and I'm going to plug those into the slope formula. So I have 10 minus 6 over 2 minus 4. 10 minus 6, 4. I'm going to be careful here. 2 minus 4 is a negative 2. So I can simplify this to negative 2 over 1, or I can just write it as negative 2. Next, I'm going to have you try one. Let's try out 0, 3, 3, 8. All right, we should have got 5/3 on that one, and this is why. We're going to try an example that has some negatives in it. We just need to be careful with the negatives. So I have negative 1 minus 3 over 4 minus negative 1. All right, so negative 1 minus 3, they're both negative, so I'm going to add the values, and I have negative 4 for my answer. 4 minus negative 1 is like 4 plus 1, so that's 5. All right, so this one I end up with negative 4/5. All right, let's try this one. The slope between negative 2, 3, and 1, negative 3. Try it out, please. All right, I hope you are able to get negative 2 on that one. We're going to try one more. It's going to be the slope between the points with some decimals, 4.25, 3, and 6, 6.5. After you simplify it, you might need to use a calculator to find the slope. Try it out. All right, we should have got 6.5 minus 3, 6 minus 4.25, and that simplifies to 2. So you can see that using the slope formula makes it really easy to find the slope when we're given the coordinates for 2 points. All right, so now we have 2 methods to find the slope. We can find it directly from a graph, or we can be given 2 coordinates or 2 points and find the slope that way. All right, thanks for watching.